What is bipolar disorder? Let me explain it in simple terms. Bipolar disorder is a mood disorder, which means it affects how a person feels emotionally. Firstly, why does this happen? Bipolar disorder can be caused by a combination of genetic, psychological, and social factors. This means it can run in families, be influenced by stressful life events, or even result from changes in brain function. You have to understand two things. Number one, your brain is a control center. Different parts of the brain control different functions. In someone with bipolar disorder, there are structural and functional changes in this control center. One part of the brain, the prefrontal cortex, which helps in decision making and controlling emotions, might not work properly. This means their ability to manage mood is affected. Number two, our brain has chemicals called neurotransmitters that help control our mood, energy, and behavior. Neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine are chemicals that help in transmitting signals in the brain. In bipolar disorder, the balance of these chemicals can be disrupted, leading to mood swings. What kind of mood swings? Extreme mood swings. Generally, as humans, we experience sadness and happiness depending on our daily situations. Imagine what it would feel like if you were only sad for a whole week. People with bipolar disorder, they experience extreme emotional highs and lows. Highs are called mania. That is, when a person is in the manic phase, their brain might produce too much dopamine, making them feel overly happy and energetic, and the requirement for the sleep will be very less. They might talk very fast, have loads of ideas, and feel like they can do anything. Sometimes they even make big plans or take risky actions without thinking about the consequences. These manic episodes can even last up to a week or even more than that. On the other hand, they experience a low state. It is called a depressive episode or a depressive phase. During the depressive phase, there might be a lack of serotonin. They feel very sad. They feel hopeless and very tired. They may lose interest in things that once they enjoyed and they find it hard to do everyday activities. They also feel worthless or even have thoughts of self-harm. This is what bipolar disorder looks like. Bipolar disorder doesn't mean someone is always happy or always sad. The mood swings can vary in intensity and duration. Some people might experience more frequent mood changes, while others might have long periods of normal mood between episodes. You should understand this. Bipolar disorder is a medical condition, just like diabetes or hypertension. It is not something a person can just snap out of it. They need proper treatment and support.